Materials needed: PVC T-pipe, PVC pipe, PVC pipe cup, gas valve, Wilkins bottle, interior, solvent, block print, and paint. The first step in making biogas is to make a hole in the upper side of the bottle to put the inlet. We use the candle and a knife to make a hole on the top because it is very hard to make a hole using a scissor. Insert the tube in the upper side of the bottle to make the inlet, and then we put solvent in order to make the hole not to pass air through the bottle. Another step in making biogas is to make another hole at the lower side of the bottle for the outlet. Again, we use the knife and the candle on making the hole. Make a hole at the cap of the bottle for the passageway of the methane gas from the bottle to the interior. Then, put the PVC pipe at the cap of the bottle. We use candle glue to cover the excess hole. Connect the pipe with the PVC pipe to make different ways for the gas. Connect the pipe from the bottle to the interior. We cut a small amount of the interior in order to put the pipe to it. We put solvent to the PVC pipe. The last step is to paint the plastic bottle with the black color in order to reduce the light rays coming from the sun. Because of this, it will be easy to produce gas because there is no light. This is now our biogas digester. We can now put a waste and wait until it will produce gas for the few weeks.